Hi everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you one of the most useful tips I have for harmonizing melodies. As you might be aware, when building chords on each degree of a diatonic scale, we take the note of the scale as the root of a chord and then we simply stack thirds on top. When it comes to triads, that is 3-note chords, we get the following in a major key. Taking C major as our example, we have C, a third above is E, and a third above is G. If we extend this theory out to the next third, we get a bunch of chords that have the 7th above. So we have C major 7, D minor 7, E minor 7, F major 7, G dominant 7, A minor 7, and B half diminished, or B minor 7 flat 5. Extending this principle out again, we can add the 9ths to it. And extending it out again, we add 11ths. And extending it out again, we can add 13s. We can even go one step further and mess around with chromaticism. So taking a 9 and making it flat, taking an 11 and making it sharp, for example. And this is where the tip comes in. In order to maximize the potential harmony to use on any given melody, we can treat each note as the root, third and fifth, which would be a traditional approach. But we can extend it out to say that a note of a melody can simply be any extension of a chord. D is the root of D major or D minor. D is a third of B minor or B flat major. D is the fifth of G major or G minor. D is the 7th of E flat major 7, E flat minor 7, and E dominant 7. D is the 9th of C major 9, C dominant 9, and C minor 9. D is the 11th or 4th of A sus 4. D is the 11th of A minor 11. D is the 13th of F major 13, F dominant 13, and F minor 13, also known as F minor 6. D is the sharp 11 of A flat major sharp 11. D is the flat 9 of D flat 7 flat 9. D is the sharp 5 of G flat 7 sharp 5. D is the sharp 9 of B7 sharp 9. This method won't yield perfect results all of the time, but it will maximize the potential harmonies you can use. And if you're led by your ear in combination with some prior knowledge of functional harmony, you can come up with some really interesting results. Anyway, I hope that helps. Please hit subscribe if you found any of this useful, and I'll see you in the next video.